Shoes ready, stand by. Four, five, six.
4, 5, 6.
Shoes ready, stand by. 5, 3, 9.
5, 3, 9.
Shooters ready, stand by. 5, 5, 2.
5, 5, 2.
Last string. Right?
Yep.
Last string.
Shooters ready, stand by. 5, 5, 2.
5, 5, 2.
Side forward, hammer down, and holster. Ready, safe. Shoes ready, stand by. Got it. 10, 9, 7.
10, 9, 7.
Good job, Neil.
Thanks.
And they're all seven. I've never seen an 8.
Shoes ready, stand by.
Haven't been able to.
And higher. Squeeze and aim. 1335.
1335.
One miss.
1 miss.
Do you know you're going to run out of
No.
Good timing. Good timing.
Yeah, I got the hardest one in the.
Shoes ready, stand by. Got it. Got it. 18. Oh, I'm sorry. 851.
851.
Shoes ready, stand by. Good job. 877.
877.
Side forward. Hammer down. And holster. You're shooting.
Stand by.
Did I get all of them?
I think he hit the stop plate before he went back. 330, 1 miss.
Crap.
Yeah, help the SO guys. Really watch. You can help us figure out what's going on.
I can do half of that. Maybe I can.
And stand by. 319. And then just click on the zeros for the next string.
Yep.
Yep. Stand by. 290. Did anyone see that? One mic.
I got a mic?
That plate that's tucked behind the other one,
Uh-huh.
you're hitting, you hit the left.
I hit it twice?
Did anyone else see?
Hey, he says he.
You did? Okay, you're good.
And I thought I hit them all.
Oh, did you? Okay.
Help each other out. It's tough.
And stand by. 323. You know what it is? That side forward, hammer down, holster.
Lean over messes with.
Yeah.
Shoes ready, stand by. There you go. Slow down and
Shit.
relax. You can do it. top. Slow down, squeeze. Wait for the top.
Shoot, I pulled
Oh,
that
at
one.
the bottom. At the bottom. 60.
Gah!
Is that your final one?
Yeah, that was
You
my
did
final
one?
one.
Or
Yeah.
two?
I did 2.
Okay. Slide forward. Hammer down. Holster. 60 for.
Okay.
Choose ready. Stand by. Got it. Good shooting. 8 for 8. Hold on.
8.
Do all whatever you gotta do. You don't have to be in the box, but do what you're gonna do now.
Okay.
8-3-8.
Got it.
I need to start moving earlier.
That's exactly what I did.
Okay.
Choose ready. Stand by. Seven, 6, 8.
7, 6, 8.
Choose ready. Stand by.
Shit.
7, 4, 8.
7, 4,
Did we
8.
hit the same plate twice? Okay.
Did I hit the same place twice?
Steven
Oh.
says no, so I'm gonna believe Steven.
Yeah,
Do I get credit for the slip?
Yeah. Regret for not losing it.
I don't flip good.
Final string?
Final 3.
Yeah, I didn't see the right plate move. Okay. Choose ready. Stand by. $6.31.
6, 40.
Shoot, man. 31. 6.31.
31.
Ready to